What if your personal AI assistant ran on just $10 hardware and booted in under a second? Meet PicoClaw. This month, a new project from Shenzhen has been taking the AI and developer communities by storm. It's super efficient, incredibly fast, and opens up new possibilities for AI agents.
Let's dive into PicoClaw.
PicoClaw, a project emerging from Shenzhen, is grabbing significant attention in the AI and developer communities. This ultra-efficient AI assistant, written in Go, runs on a $10 Linux board, uses less than 10 megabytes of RAM, and boots in under a second. Its core idea is an AI agent framework built for extreme lightweight performance. When you compare PicoClaw to similar tools, the numbers are truly striking. OpenClaw, a well-known personal AI agent, typically requires over 1 gigabyte of RAM and can take up to 500 seconds to start. Nanobot, a lighter Python alternative, still needs over 100 megabytes and 30 seconds. PicoClaw delivers the same core functionality with less than 10 megabytes of RAM and boots in under 1 second. This incredible performance is no accident. PicoClaw was developed by CPED, a Shenzhen-based company making hardware since 2011. Their Lichid Harvey nanoboard, selling for around $9. 96 on platforms like AliExpress is the exact target $10 hardware mentioned. CPED strategically built this software to perfectly leverage their own affordable, Linux-capable single-board computers, making powerful AI accessible. PicoClaw's growth has been explosive. Launched in just one day, it hit 5,000 GitHub stars within 4 days and over 12,000 in the first week, becoming one of the fastest-growing AI agent repos. This speed extends to its creation, originally inspired by the Python-based Nanobot, an AI agent, with human oversight, self-bootstrapped and rewrote 95% of PicoClaw's core code natively in Go. Go is a perfect fit due to its compilation into a single, self-contained binary, eliminating heavy runtimes and managing dependencies. Crucially, PicoClaw runs the orchestration layer on the $10 board, not the LLM itself. It receives messages from chat apps like Telegram or Discord, forwards them to external LLM APIs like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini, and relays the responses. This architecture is why it maintains such a low memory footprint. PicoClaw is designed for automation with a built-in cron scheduler that understands natural language. Set reminders like "Remind me in 1 hour" or daily reports, and it handles them natively. The heartbeat system allows periodic tasks from a simple text file. Security is a named priority with a sandbox environment for tools and strong protection against dangerous shell commands like rm-rf and dd if equals dev/sdaz, crucial for agents with shell access. Setup is streamlined, especially for Telegram, where you just create a bot and add its token. It even offers free voice transcription via Grok's Whisper API, treating voice messages as regular text. PicoClaw supports a wide array of LLM providers, and even a llama for local LLM integration on more capable hardware. The community is actively developing swarm mode for multi-agent collaboration and Kubernetes health check endpoints, signaling a powerful future. PicoClaw and OpenClaw serve distinct purposes. OpenClaw excels at complex business automation, browser control, WhatsApp integration, and extensive skill marketplaces, demanding more robust hardware like a Mac Mini or a solid VPS. PicoClaw, however, is your ultra-lightweight champion for daily briefings, simple web lookups, cron jobs, and basic Telegram interaction, all on incredibly minimal $10 hardware. It's about making AI accessible and performant where resources are tight. PicoClaw is changing the game for accessible AI agents. The incredible pace of development means we're seeing advanced AI capabilities on hardware that costs less than a coffee run. Stay tuned for more innovations in this space.